Miss Bearden is the Saltillo Elementary School Teacher of the Year. I think y'all know that. I have a special certificate for her. A rose. All these goodies right here in this bag. An umbrella. For when she has to stand out at car rider line. I also need Miss Bearden to come to the central office next Thursday night because she's going to be recognized as the Lee County School District. Ms. Bearden, we know that these folks here appreciate you. We at the district appreciate you also.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for what you do. Okay?
Thank you.
And we'll see you next Thursday night. All right? I do have one more announcement that I need to make before I leave. Next Thursday night, we're going to have a school board meeting. And I bet Miss Davis was planning on being there anyway. But we really need her to be there this time because she's going to be recognized as the administrator of the year. Y'all give her